Well, let's get out here. Got the heater going. Got the other heater going in there. It's cold outside. I'm gonna be working on this Husqvarna here, that deck. We're gonna finish that deck up and get some parts in. What? It's cold outside. You don't like my hat? Yeah, we got some parts in. We got the belt here from Stens, and I couldn't locate locally the blades again. You know, I'm here in northern Michigan, but yeah, I got them in from Amazon again. They finally brought it, so yeah, let's get to it. Let's get this thing flipped over. Here's our new blade. I appreciate everybody's well wishes about my back and that. It's not 100%, but I been going to the doctor and getting some treatments. So, and thank you for all your well wishes, everyone. Really appreciate it. Well, let me go get somebody to help me flip that over. Okay, new blades are on. Let's flip her over. Okay. Got our belt. There's the part number right here. It's cold outside. I know I keep saying it, but I'm freezing. Well, not as much as earlier, but okay. Let's see our, all right, so it looks like we're going to be going back here. Underneath here. Around here. Through here, around here, through here. All right. Okay, just like that. Let's get her on the machine. Finally, right? It's been a couple weeks. Alright, I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but when you go to put this in, make sure that this lever right here is on this side of the mower deck, or you're going to be pulling in and out in that. And yeah, just make sure that everything is looking okay, not in the way of any of these like that, and we'll push it in there. Get her all set up and I'll bring you back. You don't want to see all that. That's just not, you know, the backside's going to be all in the way in that. Something look off about that belt. This is the drive belt. Back to the store. Local do-it center had the right part. Very thankful for that. There's the part number. That's more like it. All right, moving right along, looking good. Let's pull it up here. Nice and smooth. Okay. Now fire it up. Test that engagement. Oh no. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, when it rains it pours. Oh, sounds like the solenoid, eh? Alright, well first let's check the battery voltage. Uh, 1188. Let's get that battery up a little bit better than that. Alright, got the battery charger on there. It's cold. I think it's 26 today. 26 Fahrenheit. Yeah, cold. Got the heater on that. Boy, oh boy. I hope it's not the solenoid come all this way with this thing. And it's dead of winter and I'm still messing around with these. You know. I gotta get on that thing. I gotta get the battery charged up in that, and it's been snowing here lately. So, yeah. Lots to do. Alright, let's try it again. No. I'm going after the solenoid. Or maybe a loose connection or something. Let's tear into her. Alright. This thing has been becoming a social experiment for me. How many non-Christian words I can call it, to be honest with you. See right down there? Let me wiggle it. And then when I go see how rusty that is? So here's the line here. Right there. Look how rusty that connection is. That ain't no good. Go ahead and hit it with the big can. PB Blaster. I like PB Blaster. Put in the comments down below what penetrant you like the most. I like PB Blaster and some other ones. You know. Okay. We'll let that sit up a little bit there. Take that bolt out. Maybe even relocate it. We never know. Well, with some doing, we got that bolt out of there. It's right there. Let's see what our surface looks like underneath that cable. Got to have a good body ground with these things. Very important. Body ground goes a long way on these things. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and rough that up. Clean this backside here. Rough that up. Let's pull that out a little bit. Where's my rougher upper 2000? Right here. All right. Oh. There we go. Nice and clean. I'm going to try my best not to hook any kind of wires. Go ahead and get down in here and rough this surface up here. Alright, yeah, that's doing the trick. Oh yeah, that's looking better and better. Okay. Now, go ahead and clean this part up. This part up here. This is what we're doing here. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Take my word for it. Alright, so we are going to connect our ground wire right back where it went. There we are. Okay. Now, we'll go ahead and check continuity. Check continuity there. Okay, see if it's working. All right. So now we're just gonna see if we got continuity between the terminal top and bottom. Go ahead and clamp that one on there like that. Okay, make sure it's not touching any other. And we're going to go down below. There we are. Okay, now we got continuity down there. Alright, we're not saying that that's totally the problem, but that was really suspect there. Those terminals being corroded and that ground wire being so suspect looking. Okay, I'm gonna put that boot back on there like that. All right. Now I'm going to attempt starting it. I'm going to attempt starting it without the battery on, just kind of using my jumper cables, just so we don't have to pull everything back together, you know. All right, got some power going to the machine here. Let's see here. All right, well, if it is the silk, hold on, let me try to jump the solenoid to see if that's the problem. Oh. No, that might be in the starter. Well, let's take this cover off here and see if we can't look at that starter next. Okay. Left the bolt in there. Oh boy, oh boy. This thing's becoming a bear. Let's see if we can't investigate what's going on here. It sat in a field for a while, so yeah, let me bring it around the other side. See if we can't see what's going on here. No. Yeah, it's the solenoid. Okay. Well, you gotta look at everything, you know. Well, I'm gonna steal. They don't have it locally, so I'm gonna steal one off of that one right there. Oh boy, oh boy. Transmission's stuck. Well, got that one off that other mower out there. That other mower is a parts mower. It's got a good motor and that, but the transmission's bad, so. Okay. I switched the battery also. I'm gonna use this battery. That other battery got down again to like 1188. So yeah, we'll we'll just swap the battery out real quick. You know that battery is good because we just tried to start that mower outside there. So yeah. What is going on with this thing now? Oh. I guess, right? What is going on here? Oh. There we go. Yeah. It's almost quitting time for old Lewis, guys. For today. I'm tired. My back's starting to hurt again. I know. Belly aching all the time. Well, come on now. You got in? You was in there the other day. There you go. No. Whoop. What is going on with this thing? Okay. There it goes. Okay. Yeah. I'm tired. Oh boy. Bunchy's gonna say, well, what are you doing messing around with lawnmowers in the middle of the winter anyway? You know, but I gotta get some of this stuff cleared and out of the way so I can start messing with the stuff that I gotta do for the winter. Work is never done around the Lewis residence. Ugh. Okay. We're not going to put the cover on just yet. We're just going to see if that works. If not, we'll just have to get a starter. That's the next thing. What's unbelievable is that a couple episodes ago, this starter was working just fine. But welcome to the world of small engines, right? All right. No. Well, you know that solenoid is good because that's what we used outside. Okay. So that other solenoid is probably just fine that we took out of here. So I don't know. I don't think it's any switches because we wouldn't have any contact to the solenoid at all. So it's got to be that starter. Okay. Let's see here. So we got that other solenoid on there. And it's still doing that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see first if there's if there's ground here. Yep, there's ground there. We got 12 volts. Okay. Now when I turn this over, Let's see if this ground turns into a positive. Yep. So it's getting power to the starter. Huh. And we know that solenoid is good. So I'm going to take this starter off and bench test that starter real quick. And then we're going to see if it's starter and not solenoid. I disconnected the battery. Yeah, it's a mystery because it was working, but hey, stuff happens. You know, stuff happens. Okay. Stuff happens. You just have to roll with it, right? Oh. Let's get it on the bench there. Okay. Let's bench test this starter here. Got this other smaller lead to the negative terminal on the battery. Oh yeah, as I expected. Bad starter. Yep. Okay. Let's get one coming in, and be a couple of seconds for you. Be about a day or so for me. I'm not giving up that easy. Just for kicks, let's well, first of all, what you got to do, you got to do a little mark there so you know where to put it back together at. I mean, it's already broke, right? Alright. Can you see all that? Sorry if my hand's in the way. Alright, now we're going to slowly bring this out of there. See how our brushes and that are looking. Now it's going to pop out of there. Did you hear that? Oh yeah, she look a little rough in there, eh? Huh. Well, that might be the problem there. That might be the problem. Alright, which one lost its little? See, which one's lost its little springs? Alright, let's get these tied back here so we can. Let me get something to tie these back here real quick. First of all, let's take these springs out, and then let's clean that up a little bit. And that little one there. That looks a lot better, huh? Yes, yes, yes. Oh yeah. Can you see how shiny that is now? It's gonna make a good connection. Alright. We're gonna be doing the same thing to this. This one here. From sitting outside and that, probably. Try to get it out of there. Try to get it all cleaned up in there. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, she's a goner, guys. See that broken magnet? Yeah. Okay. Well, you know what we ain't got to do now. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, well that's gonna do it for this one. We gotta get some parts in, and you know, too bad about that that starter, but that's just the way it goes, you know. Well, with that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless.